dashboard. So we're on the pay-as-you-go current plan. There's no number assigned to the platform yet, and what that means is that you won't be able to send out an SMS campaign until a number's been assigned, and this will be assigned by one of the team members who will contact you to discuss your account and then assign an appropriate number for you, and then you'll be able to send out your 10 free SMSs, and once those expired you can then top up. So you've got your 10 credits here for free. There's 0 credits for voice, and here we have our success ratings, so you can see the stat information there for the past 7 days, month, current year, etc. You can look at your subscribers by keywords. You can restore, you can save as image, you can subscribers, again you can gain all the information on there and the subscribers. And then moving down we have subscribers, unsubscribes, so you can see what's happening, and you get those in line charts or bar charts. You can save the image of the data and view data. And then by keywords, again you can gain different stat information there. Sub accounts, so you can look at the data over the year, different formats. Unsubscribes, again down the details, and then you can see if there's a secondary number assigned. We haven't got any at the moment. You can see what messages have been sent. There's nothing yet. What's been received and what voice. And then down here we have our credit packages. We click on to pay with card, and there we have our monthly packages. We have the starter program, the business program and entrepreneur program. Now these are monthly subscriptions, and you'll get different levels of services from these packages. So once your credits have expired, your 10 SMS credits which we give for free, you'll then decide which plan you'd like to proceed with. So with our starter plan you get 50 SMS credits per month. These expire at the end of each month if not used. You have the benefit of unlimited keywords, it's no additional charge, and then the features available: you can get new numbers, you can send SMSs, group management, contact management, import contacts, birthday message wishes. You have the affiliate program. So this is all the basics you would need to get started as the starter program for £29 a month, followed by our business program, and this is for companies who are more serious and to progress more. And on this we have £59 per month with 250 SMS credits and unlimited voice keywords. And then it opens up a lot more features, as you can see. So we have a lot more functionality there. And then moving on to the entrepreneur program at £149 per month, you get 1,000 SMS records and unlimited keywords. Interesting that most of our competitors do actually charge for keywords, but we have no charge for these. Features, you get basically everything available on the platform. So what happens if you say, right, I'm going to go for our business plan, 250 SMSs a month, but for the month of April I'm going to do a big campaign, but I've only got 250 SMS credits. So what you would do is go into an SMS add-on package. So if you're going to blast out a message to 1,000 people, Then you can basically top up with Text 1000 plan, which gives you 1,000 SMS credits additional to your monthly, and that costs £37.51. All prices are excluding VAT in the UK. And these are the other options available for top up. We have Text 500 for 500 messages, Text 2000 for 2000 messages, etc. And these credits expire after a month. So going back to the home page again. So currently there's no purchases there, but we can have a play with the platform and use those. There's no number being assigned yet, so you can't purchase a number here or package until the Text platform team assign a phone number to this account.